The cabin air filter in your 2013-2015 Chevy Spark traps dust, allergens, and pollutants, ensuring clean air inside your car. Changing it regularly every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually improves air quality, HVAC efficiency, and can even slightly boost fuel economy. A dirty filter restricts airflow, straining the system. By 2025, health-focused care and awareness of indoor air pollution have made regular filter replacement even more important. Neglecting it can lead to HVAC failures. Now let's move on to how to replace it. You'll need a new cabin air filter, Chevrolet part number 132711190 or equivalent, costing about $10 to $20, a screwdriver, and gloves to protect your hands. Step 1. Access the filter housing. Open the glove box fully and squeeze the sides to release the stops, then gently lower the glove box. Step 2. Remove the old filter. Locate the plastic filter housing on the passenger side. Pull out the old filter panel, noting the airflow direction arrow. Step 3. Inspect and clean. Vacuum any debris from the housing to prevent recirculation. Step 4. Install the new filter. Insert the new filter, matching the airflow direction. Reattach the housing cover and glove box. Step 5. Test. Start the car, turn on the HVAC to maximum, and check for improved airflow. Cycle through air modes to ensure proper functioning. Remember to handle the glove box gently to prevent damage.